Hello friends, today we will revise the revision of grammar topic the pronouns for class 3. Let's start the revision of the pronoun. Hello friends, today we will revise the grammar topic pronouns. Pronouns, that means words in place of nouns. Shortly, the definition of the pronoun is a word which is used in place of a noun is called pronoun. A pronoun is a word used in place of noun is called pronoun. Like here, Rahul is a boy. We use the word he in place of the noun Rahul. So here Rahul has a ball. Before we use the word he, the sentence is like that: Rahul has a ball. Rahul has a ball. Here the noun Rahul is used again, but we do not want to write the noun again, so we use one word like he. So we add here the word he in place of Rahul. So he is called a pronoun because the word he is used in place of the noun Rahul. So it is called pronoun. Here he is used in place of Rahul. मतलब Rahul और he is both are used for one person. Second is Rima is a girl. She has a doll. Here before we use she, the sentence is like Rima has a ball. Like this, Rima has a ball. But here we use the word she in place of Rima, so she is called pronoun. She has a doll. That means the word she is used in place of Rima, so she is called pronoun. Tom and boy are player. Tom and Bomb are player. Here we use they are good players. They are good players. Here the word they are used in place of the noun Tom and Bomb. So they is called pronoun. They and Tom and Bomb are used for the two person, the boys. This is a hen. This is hen. It is a big hen. It is a big hen. Here it is used for the noun hen. Like it is a big hen. Okay, so it is used for hen. Both are this and it are called pronoun. Those here he, she, they and it are pronouns. Second point is that look at the pictures, tell the noun for each pronoun. Here the boy is used. Nitin, for him, a word I. Second, the girl Neha is used the pronoun for her, I. Both children used I for them. Like I am Nitin. I am Neha. I am Nitin. I am Neha. I am Neha. We, that means both person, Sonu and Seema. Sonu and Seema used for him, like Sonu is I and Seema is also I. I plus I, both plural person, both singular person, I and I become the plural person, we. So we use here like this. We are, like this. We are Sonu and Seema. Sonu and Seema. Tony, you. Tony say you are. One person told something about, one person says something about Tony. Here Tony is a second person who listen something of the speaker, that is first person. Like here you for used for Tony. So we used you and to be verb are, you are Tony. And secondly, you is used for Tina. Here you are Tina. Okay? Here first person, that is speaker, like I am Nitin. Second, I am Neha. Here the second person first person plural pronoun we. So both person told something about themselves, like we are Sonu and Seema. Okay? And second person you is used for the second person, you is used for singular or plural noun. Like here you are Tony, you are Tina. Here you is also used for plural person. Like here Rahul and Rosie. Rahul and Rosie. We use here you are Rahul and Rosie. You are Rahul and Rosie. Okay? You are Rahul and Rosie. Repeat again, my dear. We use the first person pronoun I, like I am Nitin, I am Neha. Okay? I am Nitin, I am Neha. Second, we are Sonu and Seema. The both persons said we are Sonu and Seema. Here the second person you is used for singular noun. Like here you are Tony, you are Tina. You is also used for plural noun. Like here you are Rahul and Rosie. You are Rahul and Rosie. Okay, my dear. Now here the word he is used for the person Amit. So here we write down like this: he is Amit. Here the both person told about the third person like Amit. So here he is Amit. He is used for the third person singular noun. Here she is used for Anu. So here we write down the words, the sentence like she is Anu. Shortly we used the third person pronoun he or she for a singular noun, like he is used for a singular noun Amit. He is used in place of the noun Amit, so he is called pronoun. Here she is used for the noun Anu, so it is called a pronoun. Here they is used for Manu and Mona. Manu and Mona. So this sentence is like they are Manu and Mona. Manu and Mona. Here like they is used in place of the noun Manu and Mona. They are Manu and Mona. Here the other pronoun like this and that. This and that, like this is used for the noun cup and that is used for the noun kite. Here cup is this is used in place of the noun cup, which is the nearest things. Shortly we use this to indicate the things which is very near with our finger, like this is kite, that is kite. Okay, that is used to indicate the singular things, that is kite, like that is kite. Here the another word which is used in place of this and that also, it is used for the ball. So we write down in this way like it is a ball. It is a ball. Okay my dear, here the pronoun he, she, it. He, she, it are used for the third person singular pronoun. This and that is also called a pronoun, that is called a demonstrative pronoun. Now we will learn about the plural pronoun these or. Here the plural pronoun these are used for roses which are more than one. Okay, here those are used for the birds which are more than two. Okay, and those are very far. Okay, these are roses. These are roses, and those are birds. Those are birds. We also used use the pronoun they for the plural noun roses and those, roses and birds. We use it, these, those, these for animals and lifeless things. Okay. for lifeless things. Learn this pair of words. Here we use the possessive pronoun my, relative pronoun, relative adjective for the things or others, which indicates the relation between the things or the person or animals. Like I, that's relative pronoun is my, we, that our, you, that your, he, that his, she, that her, they, that their. Okay, my dear. Now taste of yourself. Here we use I and am. Here we use I as a subjective pronoun, like I am a player. This is my ball. I am a player. This is my ball. Like this says I am player and this is my ball. Okay. Now third number. She is a dancer. She is a dancer. This is her anklet. This is dancer. Sorry, she is dancer and this is her anklet. Fourth number, we use the subjective pronoun you. You are my friend. I am your friend. You are my friend. I am your friend. Here they or their. Here they indicates subjective pronoun. They are used as a relative pronoun. Like they are soldiers. These are their guns. These are their guns. Here we use subjective pronoun we for the plural noun for the first person. These are, we use here our as a relative pronoun, as a possessive pronoun. I, my. I am a postman. My name is Akram. Okay. Now, Jane, we use the pronoun she for the feminine gender, and here we use her for the relative pronoun. Okay, her mother is a teacher. She is Jane and her mother is a teacher. Okay, my dear. Now here he, I have an uncle. Here we use the relative adjective, possessive adjective his. His name is Nitin. Dash is a painter. We use the subjective pronoun he. You and your dash have fever. Here we use you have fever, and we use the relative adjective, relative pronoun your, possessive pronoun your eyes. We use here they are my friends and their father. Their father is a doctor. 12 number, Rima is my sister. I am, we use here her because here we use Rima, and Rima is a feminine gender. And I am her brother. And both are told about themselves as a first person pronoun. First person. So we use here we are brother and sister, because here we used I for the person Rima and her brother. So we use here we are brother and sister. This is our. This is our dog. This is our dog, and here we use the pronoun it for the dog. Okay, this is our dog and it is a big dog. Now observe, study the following sentences carefully. This is my book. This book is mine. Here mine is used also a relative pronoun. These are our books. These books are ours. Here ours are also used as a possessive pronoun, relative pronoun. That pen is yours. That is her pen. That pen is hers. Those are their cows. Those cows are there. Here we use my, our, your, her and their before a noun. These words are adjectives. They are also called possessive adjectives, relative adjectives. Here we don't use any noun with mine, any noun with mine, ours, yours, hers and theirs. These words are pronoun. Okay, these words are pronoun. Okay, my dear, learn this singular and plural forms. The singular first person singular pronoun is I, and that singular plural form is we. My, our, me, us. Mine, ours, you, you. Your, yours, yours. He, she, it, they. His, her, its, their. And him, her, them. Okay. Now we will test ourselves. Test yourself. Rewrite each sentences in the plural form. Like here, I am a student. We is used for the plural form. I am, are is used as a plural verb for am. Students for the plural noun student. Okay, here we use like they. We use they, then are, they are nurses. They are nurses. They, we use the plural pronoun for he, they, and we use to be verb are with the plural pronoun are, and we use plural noun with the plural pronoun they. They are doctor. We use here they are parrots. They are parrots. Here these, we use the plural form of these, and then we use are. These are my, our. We use the plural form of my is our book. We use plural form books and then full stop. Okay, these are our books. Those are their balls. The plural form of that is those. Plural verb is are. The plural form of his is there, and plural form of ball is balls. Now 7 number. Those are, sorry, these are their dolls. These are their dolls. Here the plural form of I is we. Am turn into are. Your turn into yours. And friend turn into friends. Okay. Here she turn into they. Is turn into are. My turn into our. And teacher turn into teachers. They are our teachers. This turn into these. Book turn into plural form. Books. Is turn into our. Mine turn into ours. Okay. These turn into these. Book turn into books. Is turn into our. And mine it turn into ours. These books are ours. Okay. Now another exercise is choose the correct words for each blank. Dash is big fish. Here fish is animal name of animal, so we use here it. It is a big fish. Dash is my teacher. Here is given, so we use pronoun she, because are is used for the pronoun we, you, they, these, those. Okay, and plural noun. Here dash is an old man. Here old man indicate masculine gender, so we use here verb he. He is an old man. Dash are watching TV. Here we use they, because are is used with the pronoun we, you, they, these, and those. Now fifth number. Dash am 10 years old. Here we used I, because am is used only for the pronoun I. Dash are a good player. You are good player, because here we use to be verb is with the pronoun it. Dash is plucking flowers. Here we use he, because we use to be verb are with the pronoun they. Okay, so but here we use only is with a singular pronoun he. He is plucking flowers. Dash are my best friend. Here are is used, so we use pronoun you, because are is used with the pronoun we, you, they, or these, or those. Dash are going to school. Here we use we. 10 number. Dash is a good story book. Here we use it, because it is used for the lifeless things. Okay, it is a good story book. Now object, use object pronoun, objective pronoun. Choose the correct words, correct pronoun for each blanks. Like listen. Here objective pronoun is me. Listen to me. She is talking to him. He is talking to him. Please give her pen. Here the objective pronoun is them. Look at them in the river. I gave him your message. Grandma told us a story. You help him. Does he help you? You help him. Does he help him? Tell dash should not disturb me. Tell, here we use him, objective pronoun him, because after verb we use objective pronoun. We use subjective pronoun before verb. He should not disturb me. Dash, we are looking at her, but she is not looking at us. Okay, my dear. Now next exercise, use possessive pronoun. This is my book. Rewrite the sentence using the word in bracket. This is my book. Mine. Like this book is mine. This house is our. Use our. This house is ours. Use our. We use like this. This is our house, because this is relative adjective. That book is yours. Use you. Your. That is your book. That is your book. This is her umbrella. This umbrella is hers. This umbrella is hers. Fifth number, that is their umbrella. That is their umbrella. That umbrella, those umbrella, we use here those, because here theirs is indicate plural noun. We use only that. That umbrella is theirs. These are not our bags. Those bags are not ours. That was your mistake. That mistake was not yours. This house is not theirs. This is not their house. We also write down these sentences like in this way. Those are not their houses. These books are not mine. These are not my books. These ribbons are not hers. These are not her ribbons. Okay, my dear, I hope that you have learned this grammar topic, pronoun. You have revised this grammar topic, pronoun, very well, and you will write down all these exercises in your notebook. Thank you very much.